Alright, crypto fam, big news. The US Federal Reserve just pulled a massive U-turn that could change everything for Bitcoin in America. On April 24th, the Fed officially withdrew its 2022 guidance that discouraged banks from touching crypto. What does that mean? For the first time, US banks are basically free to begin supporting Bitcoin and other digital assets. This is huge for investor sentiment. Michael Saylor, the person behind the world's biggest corporate Bitcoin stash, said it best. Banks are now free to begin supporting Bitcoin. And he's not alone. Industry leaders are calling this a significant development and even a meaningful turning point for institutional adoption in the US. Now, until this point, most big banks sat on the crypto sidelines, worried about regulators coming down hard. Meanwhile, crypto-native firms like Coinbase have been grabbing all the action. But with this move, traditional banks are likely to jump in fast to keep their clients happy and to stay relevant. But there's more. The legislative side is heating up too. The Genius Act, yep, that's its real name, just passed the Senate Banking Committee, setting up a national framework for stablecoin issuers. And the Stable Act also cleared the House Committee, aiming for even more regulatory clarity on dollar-backed stablecoins. Europe? Not keeping up. Less than 20% of European banks offer crypto services, even as demand surges. In the States, though, banks now have the green light. Bottom line, the end of regulatory hostility could kickstart a wave of institutional adoption for Bitcoin in the US. So, if you're watching the crypto market, keep your eyes on the banks. They're about to make some serious moves. Don't forget to subscribe for more real-time updates. Because in crypto, one headline can change everything.